So you want to increase the number of views on your YouTube channel by creating playlist, and you don't know how to create playlist on YouTube to your channel? Then yes, it's the correct video. So in this video I'll teach you how to create playlist for your YouTube channel so that you increase the number of views or simply organize your channel to be more helpful for yourself as well as the audience. And yes, let's get started. So first you go into your YouTube application. Okay, now you'll have to be sure that you are logged in into your YouTube profile. You'll have your profile picture or simply the initial letter of your name displayed at the top right corner. So have a click on it and you go in that option of your channel. Okay, now I'll show you an example of playlist. So you have this second row, right? And you will have the option of home, videos, playlists and channels. So click on that option of playlists. And yes, I have shown you the number of playlists that I have created. It's really helpful, and if you want to make your playlists like public, it will help you increase the number of views as well. So for this video, you simply go on the option of videos, and here you will be having the number of available videos on your channel. So you simply click on the video of your choice and you click on that three dots and you click on save to playlist. And if you want to create a new playlist for it, then simply click on the plus icon and you write it okay. And you simply if you want to increase the number of views and want to make it public, then SUCC. Okay, now you click on this option of privacy and you make it public. Okay, and you click on create option. And yes, if you go on playlist and you go downwards, okay, playlist created, where is that option? Okay, it says right after I have refreshed the page, you will have that new playlist created already and it says exam success, and you will have your video right there. So if you want to add another video, so maybe like this one, you again click on the three dots and save to playlist. And if you want this the other video to be on the same playlist, you can simply have a tick on it. And if you don't want on the same playlist, then you simply undo and you click on that plus icon again, and again you may write it something justice, and again privacy, anything maybe public, and create. And yes, that's the video. I really hope this was helpful, and if it was, then please make sure to hit like. And to learn how to change the thumbnail of your YouTube video, any video, please click the video on screen. This is Ekta signing off. Have a great day.